So watch this video fully, do not skip this video so that you get all the three important symptoms plus 3 home remedies plus 1 bonus tip. So if you learn something new, as I told you, like this video. My target is come to come 300 likes and my target is come to come 1000 subscribers for this video. Acid reflux symptoms or symptoms of hyperacidity or hyperacidity ke lakshan, you would get 3 symptoms in this video and 3 home remedies or upchar or ilaj or solutions for hyperacidity, acid reflux symptoms or gas problems in stomach. And disclaimer is, but you have to correlate these symptoms with your local doctor, and you have to read the disclaimer in the description of this video along with the other links. See that because these symptoms may be the cause of other disease also. But this video is only as an idea or a context to correlate or ask to your local doctor, and accordingly you can plan. So 3 symptoms of hyperacidity, common symptoms are, number 1 is, especially on lying down on the bed after eating, you would get nausea or heaviness in the stomach. That is countdown point number 3 symptom. Number 2 symptom is you would feel regurgitation, food contents going out. In Hindi they say khatti dakar. So that is countdown point symptom number 2. And you will also get one bonus tip. And symptom number 1 in countdown is constipation, which is common in hyperacidity. So now coming to the home remedies to cure hyperacidity, home remedies to naturally cure gas problem and acidity problems, and ilaj or upchar for acid reflux symptoms. So number 1, countdown in number 3 is that you have to take very simple and non-spicy food. That is countdown point number 3, take simple non-spicy foods. So countdown point home remedy number 2 is you should take non-gravy foods, because gravy foods, they tend to gravitate upwards, whereas solid foods like suki sabji, they tend to gravitate down because of weight. So therefore they prevent regurgitation and hyperacidity. Countdown point number 1 is avoid stress, because stress is the main cause of hyperacidity. As it is said that type A personality is the common cause of hyperacidity or acid reflux symptoms. So for stress also, you will get important useful links in the description of this video along with the disclaimer as I told you in the beginning. Coming to the bonus tip is, especially after lying down after eating meals, you should keep double pillows. So double or triple pillows now, it is very natural home remedy and it is very effective to cure acidity or ilaj or upchar of acid reflux symptoms. So these are the 3 symptoms and 3 home remedies plus 1 bonus tip as I told you.